excited to see Sensodyne partnering with this Z experience of the Drip Drop Party. Are you enjoying yourself?
I love it. This is actually the first one I've been to. I'm so excited Sensodyne could actually partner with Z to do this. And I can see everyone's having a super time. Thank you so much.
Did you get yourself some coffee?
I did. The lines are really long, but I got very lucky to grab some coffee.
And I love the whole activation, the mirror, and even the coffee menu, which is like with Sensodyne, the cappuccinos and the lattes is looking really good.
Yeah, we wanted to make sure that we're able to be very relevant with our brand. So just to make sure that people don't suffer from sensitivity and just have an overall good time.
Wonderful. So good to see you here. Enjoy the party.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Z and Sensodyne have been partnering together for a lot of events, and this is yet another one, the Drip Drop Party here at Bloomy Cafe. And this is a relatively new scene, the coffee rave. Tell us more about your association.
So, Sensodyne, we launched a new product. It gives you it's called Sensodyne Clinical White. It gives you 2 shades of white teeth without the worry of sensitivity. Also, it protects you from stains, especially coffee stains. And coffee culture in Dubai is massive. You guys have covered most of our events. The Sensodyne Cafe at JBR Beach, we did Taste of Dubai, and now this. This is the latest trend, and we really wanted to jump on it as well. And we wanted to partner with ZTV and the rave party.
I think y'all have been doing some lovely activations across in the region, and it's so good to see you partner with us here as well.
Thank you so much, and thank you for partnering with us on various events. And I hope this collaboration continues, and we will continue doing much more together.
Viraj, I think you guys have been doing a fabulous job with this new scene, the coffee rave. And today we're here for the Drip Drop Party with Sensodyne and ZTV. Tell us about the whole experience.
Well, we've been doing coffee parties for quite some time now. We have some really good brands who we're working with. We decided to do it here. We have lots of people. It's basically just bringing people together, you know. It's all about, you see the crowd here. Everyone's here for the drink and coffee and the music. And we have DJ Buddha playing here, and hopefully we have many more things coming up. We're working with a lot of brands, and there's lots of new things coming up, and you'll have to stay tuned for that one as well. Yeah.
You guys are doing a lot of these scenes now. And tell us more about your association with Z on board, with Sensodyne.
Yeah, so Z has been really great in terms of working with them. We have working with Z5 and all of the other brands, and we have many more collaborations actually coming up. So it's been a great experience, to be very honest. For us, Show Off Entertainment, working with ZTV it's very good. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Viraj.
Thank you.
What do you think about this whole coffee rave scene?
I think it's amazing. I feel like this is exactly what the Gen Zs have given us, and we millennials are loving it. And the fact that, you know, it's coffee, everybody can have, the fact that the entire family can come through and dance, and you know, that's the beautiful part when kids are like, when will we go partying? This is your party. Have a shot of coffee and enjoy with us. This is Bloomy Cafe, and I really like the vibe of this place. There's good music, there's place to shop, you can get yourself a coffee, and DJ Buddha.
I think everyone should come here once and experience this party. Coffee rave party is a must now.
DJ Buddha, congratulations on yet another successful coffee rave, the Drip Drop Party.
Thank you very much, Priya. It was amazing. The turnout was amazing. And people dressed in white, oh wow.
What was even more amazing was the music. The set you played today was just phenomenal. I think I've loved every single moment of this party. Sensodyne was part of it. It was a Z experience for everyone. What did you think?
It was amazing. So I have created this special set for today. It was all brand new and people heard it for the first time.
Lovely. And we loved the coffee. We loved the whole menu that was created, for Sensodyne and the different options that we had available. I tried the iced latte. It was fabulous. And I was just holding my coffee in my hand and just grooving to your music throughout.
Thank you. Thank you. It's right way to party, right? Coffee and the vibe. Thank you very much to Sensodyne and ZTV for bringing this together. And thank you, Priya, for having us.